Unajua mwili ambayo uko nayo,
you know this body that you have,
yenyewe unabeba kitu unataka,
that you are carrying everywhere,
haiko yako,
is not yours.
na siku moja
And one day,
mwenye alikupa
the one who gave it to you
atakuomba account
will
ya
ask
kitu umeitumikisha.
you to account for how you have used it.
Atakuomba account
He will ask you to
ya kitu
account
umeitumikisha.
for how you have used it.
Ninakutakia leo,
So I would like you today,
ninakutakia
I
leo,
would like you today
fanya iwezekanavyo
to do everything possible
uanze kumuogopa Mungu,
to start fearing God,
tii amri zake,
obey His command,
mtumikie kwa bidii,
serve Him honestly,
tayarisha maisha yako baada ya maisha,
and prepare your life.
maana baada ya hii maisha
Because after this life,
pana accountability
there is accountability
yenye tutapana.
that we shall give.
Anza tayarisha
So start preparing
accountability
the accountability
ya maisha yako
for your life,
kwa siku zenye zinakuja.
for the days that are coming.
Utapana accountability